Hello and welcome back to the channel, and today you join me with the Jaguar XJ and we're trying to replace the wheel caps with fresher ones just because they're starting to look a little bit dated. As you can see, they're starting to look a little bit worn. I did get these used ones off eBay. They're only about £5 for two of them. I think they're about £80 or something I've seen online for brand new ones, so I thought we'd try these and just kind of freshen this up a bit now that the wheels have been refurbed. So all I want to do is get a flathead screwdriver and put it through the middle. I do have a hammer here, so I'm going to hammer away because I've only got one set of arms, and I'll show you in a couple of minutes when I've hammered this through. So now I have the screwdriver successfully in. Just pull that out and the new one's going to slide in place quite nicely, like so. And some people quite like having the Jaguar face leaning towards the mouth, so the mouth leaning towards the valve.